Oh, it is so nice to be back in a Model S. We had so much fun with the Model 3 recently. Broke some world records. Awesome videos. If you haven't checked those out, definitely be sure to. But we are back in my Model S. And before we have shown you some different alternatives for Qi charging in the Model S. One is actually to install one in your little flip door. One is the Abstract Ocean. But today we actually have something from TopFit. And there's several to go over. And these actually just fit right in the center console. Super easy. You can close the door, have them out of sight, out of mind, keep everything looking super clean. And then if you ever do need the Qi charging, you can go ahead and use these. But there's a few different things in here. So first thing first, let's go ahead and clean out my center console because it is full of junk, I can already tell you. We have some glasses, a ton of napkins because, I mean, when you're on the go, you do you fast food. We have a nice little microfiber. I have a bunch of stuff, so I'm just going to clean this real quick and we'll be right back.
1 hour later.
Okay, so now we got my center console cleaned out, which tends to collect a lot of junk because I don't really use it that often. We're going to go over some of these awesome options that are available to help keep us a little bit more organized. So first up here, we have just an organizer. So this here is just an organizer. These actually come right out if you want to clean them. But that way there's some parts right there where you can actually angle your phone up. And here it actually does say car key if you would like to put car keys there. There's some coin slots down here. But it actually fits just right in here. Nice, tight. I mean, not too tight, but nice snug fit, and allows you to easily use the door, which is awesome. Open and close it, and then you can take it right out if you ever do need to access anything underneath, which is even better. So this one is one without any kind of charging or anything like that. You can put phones here if you would like. You can actually angle them on the door like this, and there's different angles right there that you can do. You could put a pair of glasses right there, put your phone in there, everything out of sight. Perfect. So this is a really nice option for those of you that maybe don't have Qi charging on your phones and wanted something to put right here. Definitely a great option. I'll go ahead and link everything down below through Amazon. So if you guys are interested in these, you can buy them. So next up, we actually have one with built-in Qi charging, which if you aren't familiar with Qi charging, it's a way to wirelessly charge devices, most commonly used in cell phones. Some tablets have it. It's really awesome. I use Qi charging on all my phones. That's why I have the Abstract Ocean one up here. But some other options down in the center console would also be really nice. So yeah, this one is a 5-watt charger. And so as you can kind of see here, it does have the little phone stand right there. But right here are where your wireless charge coils are going to be. And then it just has a plug, which is super easy just to throw the wire under there and wire that down so that you can plug it in. As you can see, it fits in here very, very nicely. So let's go ahead and see how this one fits in here. We'll go ahead and plug this in. Now, there's several things, if you've watched my Qi charging videos in the past, that you need to consider. So the Tesla USB ports don't put out a ton of power. I think they're only about 1 amp. Whereas the cigarette lighter, if you get an adapter, you can do 2.1 amps, which will really help charge your devices a lot faster. Which, if you're going to do any of these, would be my suggestion, is to get a little power outlet that goes in your cigarette plug that you can just route this. Just because it charges so much faster. So I'm just going to route this way for right now, while we're testing around with these. So I am going to plug this into my cigarette lighter adapter. It does 2.1 amps, which is really what you want when you're going to be Qi charging, especially even when you're not Qi charging and just plugging in your phone. 2.1 amps is really what you want to be able to gain a charge and not just sustain a charge. So we got that all plugged in and everything, and we can just go ahead and sit our phone down right here. And there it starts charging. This is actually the Galaxy S9 Plus here. And go ahead and actually try it with my S8 Plus too. And you can see right then and there, it starts charging right away. Option number 3 steps it up even more so and is now a 10-watt Qi charger. So they really have pretty much every option to keep you covered, and they actually come with a few different things. what other products they sell. And actually the red thing is something you can kind of put in your window that tells people when you'll be done charging in case you're at a more public charger. People will know when to come back to your car, which is awesome. So this 10-watt charger actually comes with the cigarette lighter adapter I was referring to. And that's because then you will be able to get your 2.1 amps and charge much, much, much faster. So without further ado, let's check this one out. So this one does actually have some holes drilled on the bottom, and when you pop out the plastic piece, you actually can get the Qi charger out. And I think this is because this is a much faster version of a Qi charger. This is awesome to see that it's something that you can get to so easily in case technology changes and you can get faster ones. You could easily upgrade it and everything. But we'll go ahead and wire this in real quick. It literally takes 2 seconds. It's just as easy as plugging in your cell phone. So we'll just kind of snap that in there, route that through that hole, and just pressure fit this plastic piece right in there. And what we can do is I'm just going to wire this one just quickly. Definitely, if you're going to do this, wire it under this door, just like you would for a typical phone charger down in this area. Super easy to do. So we're going to go ahead and plug this one again into a cigarette lighter adapter, just like this one. That way we can actually get a little bit faster speeds. It is awesome though that they do include the cigarette lighter adapter for the 10-watt version, instead of people just giving you a USB outlet and kind of just leaving you on your own. So with that plugged in, we'll go ahead and try it with the S9 Plus. And there you go, we are starting to charge. And then we can go ahead and try it with the S8 Plus real quick. And again, we just start to charge. It is cool that they do include these bumpers here though, in case you ever wanted to use it kind of as a phone stand. You easily could. And the fact that you have another thing here, which I think would work best probably for my glasses. I always don't know what to do with my glasses. So the fact that they fit there is really awesome, because normally my glasses just get thrown about. I honestly didn't realize I have 4 pairs of glasses in the car, plus some driving glasses. So I actually have 5 pair. Probably not something I should have. But you can easily store some other stuff in there. Say a thing of Purell, some coins, everything down here. Gonna make my car a little bit tidier, which, based on how things look down there, I could really use. So definitely a big thanks to Top Fit for hooking us up with this. And if you guys are interested in any of these items, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below in the video description to them on Amazon. Feel free to check them out, and if you would like to purchase them, go for it. I definitely think they make a great addition, and especially the 10-watt version, if you are going to be Qi charging, is what I would go with. It's really up to you though. And for those of you that don't have Qi charging, they still have you covered if you would like something that you could do a little bit more storage on. And this version without the Qi charging actually has more of these, which is kind of the phone stand. So that is kind of another neat feature that I never would have thought about. But yeah, that's basically it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Definitely drop a comment down below if any of these options work for you and which one you guys decide to go with. As always though, if you're looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. If you are looking for a new or inventory Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website. Using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which is currently the only way to do so, and an awesome perk, especially if you do lots of road trips or are thinking about hypermiling. It definitely helps out. As always though, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go and click here to subscribe, here for some other videos, and we'll see you guys on Monday. Bye. Leave a comment down below too if there's any products that you guys want to see reviewed for the Model S, X, or 3.